go from this to this the cheapest way possible. I'll show you exactly how I did it. What's good, YouTube? Subscribe to the page. Only I'm gonna bring this to you. If you look real close, I'm going through the prices of how much I paid for the parts. Everything that I got, I found on a scavenge, man. I found it hunting it down on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp, anywhere you can buy parts. I did the painting myself on that hood. The hood was orange. I painted it black. That's the radiator support. I bought that. I sanded the front bumper down. It was green. I had to change it to silver. I taped it off, saving time where I didn't have to pull the plastic pieces off. That's me priming it, and that's me making it silver. And then you'll see it beside the car right there. I know I'm moving fast, but I got a lot to get through for you, baby. Trust me. Subscribe to the page and like this video. Let me know if this is helpful for you, because I got the fabrication of the Fenders video coming up, and you don't want to miss a second of what I got for y'all. I got the wiring of the headlights, and I break that down every single step. I'm talking about assembly, bumper, everything. You're not going to want to miss this. Tesla Roadster.